Introducing AORUS Model X, the first pre-built gaming desktop PC from AORUS. This gaming beast houses the most powerful cores to date and top-notch gigabyte components, which have been painstakingly tuned and tested for perfection. Let's take a closer look and find out how ferociously powerful it is. The Model X is rocking Intel's latest 11th Gen Core i9 11900K processor that's binned and pre-overclocked for a serious performance boost. The CPU has also been fine-tuned to ensure you get maximum gaming performance right out of the box. The Model X is powered by the most advanced RTX 3080 graphics card. Its bin GPU and robust cooling make it ever so powerful for uncapping those frame rates at the highest visual settings possible without breaking a sweat. The memory clocks are pushed to the performance limit as well, running stably up to 4400 MHz so that you can game, create, and multitask without missing a beat. The Model X is also armed with the latest PCIe Gen4 SSD for the fastest storage speed. We've run some gaming benchmarks, and the results have shown incredible FPS performance. Thanks to the advanced cooling systems inside, the whole system can stay extremely cool and silent within 40 decibels when under pressure. The Model X further features versatile connectivity for gamers, such as Wi-Fi 6E, 10 gigabit Ethernet, and a lightning-fast USB 3.2 Type-C port up front within easy reach. The ingenuity of the pogo pin connectors make the front panel very easy to remove and make maintenance hassle-free. The Model X also makes future upgrades an easy task. Plenty of SSD Mount Brackets and quick install trays will fit all the storage you need. Here it is, an ultimate gaming machine put together with the most powerful components to date and tuned to perfection. Ultimate AORUS for the ultimate you. AORUS Model X Ultimate Gaming PC.